sac213n3. Got a battery connected across a capacitor, and then the capacitor, once it's charged up to the voltage of the battery, it's connected across a 32 megohm resistor. Initial voltage 15 volts. I'm going to put it high side up there, low side down there. Connect it up, some current begins to flow across this resistor, or through the resistor, creating a potential difference across the resistor. And after 8.5 minutes, let's get that to SI units. Let's see, we got 60 seconds to a minute. So that's the same thing as 510 seconds. After 510 seconds, the voltage has dropped down to 5 volts, and find the capacitance. Well, the voltage decays exponentially, starting out at V0. It's given as V0 times e to the minus t divided by the time constant, which is just RC. Product RC. If R is in ohms, C is in farads, R times C has the units of seconds. So we got to solve this for C. Let's see, we're given T. We know R. We got V0 is 15 volts, and the final voltage V is 5 volts. We know everything but C. It's just a matter of solving this one equation for C. So I got to get C all by itself on the left-hand side of the equation. Let's divide both sides by V0 to start with. And this is the exponential function on the right, e to the minus t over rc. That's the exponential function of minus t over rc. And the inverse to the exponential function is the natural log. So I'll take the natural log of both sides. On this side, I'll have the natural log of what's on this side. And on this side, the natural log of the exponential function of something is just that something. So I'm left with the minus t over rc. Go multiply both sides by c, and divide both sides by the natural log of v over vo. We have c on this side, then where the c was on this side, we have that natural log of v over vo. Go ahead and substitute the given values. .0 mega ohms, so that's 32.0 times 10 to the 6 ohms for the resistance, and then times the natural log of V. It's supposed to drop down to 5 volts after the 510 seconds, and it started out at 15.0 volts. So C, this natural log gives a negative value, so C does come out positive, as it must. I get 1.451 times 10 to the minus 5th farads. The 5 volts was given to 2 sig figs. That limits their final precision to 2 sig figs. So I'll write that as 1.5 times 10 to the minus 5th farads, or 15 times 10 to the minus 6 farads, I think we'll call it. 15 times 10 to the minus 6 farads is 15 microfarads. It's our final answer.